Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete ChatGPT memory using the ChatGPT mobile application. First of all, open up the ChatGPT app on your mobile device and log in using your OpenAI credentials. After you're inside this main home page, tap on the two horizontal lines at the top left corner. From the expanded menu, click on your name at the bottom, and then this will open up the settings menu. Under settings, click on personalization. Now click on manage memories and you will be able to see all of the saved memories on the screen. Click on the delete all button at the bottom of the screen if you want to delete all of these memories. If you want to select and delete a memory, simply swipe left on the memory and click on the trash can. Click on remove in the pop-up to confirm the change. You can also delete all by simply tapping the delete all button and confirming. And that's how you get rid of the saved memories on ChatGPT app. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.